You don't have to go outside of self to find anything. You find it within. And by applying the principle, you rest having done what you are supposed to do and let it come to pass. But do not forget, as my friend so wisely said in quoting these passages from Scripture, that he finds it so difficult, trained as he is. He's a college graduate. He's a professional psychiatrist, teaching psychiatry to many, and he finds it difficult not to claim that his own intellectual powers brought these to pass, even though he remembers that there was a moment in time when he, not intellectually, but when he imagined a state by denying the evidence of the senses, by denying reason, or reason did not come into it, because they denied what he is now doing in imagination. And having done it, he forgot it. And then, in good time, it happened in this world, and he reaped the harvest of what he did in imagination. But he said, I find it so difficult, trained as I am, not to take the credit. And that's exactly what these passages that he quoted in the Scripture is against. They will not give the credit where it belongs. They have taken it to themselves, their own puffed up intellectual state. And this whole vast thing is so unlike what the world believes it to be. The whole vast world. I haven't time tonight to develop it. I will on Monday. To show you that everything in this world on this level is so unlike what it is on the next higher level. And man can't believe it until he's had that experience. He can't believe that this is not what it appears to be. But I'll show it to you on Monday. But hear that most disputed verse in the book of Ecclesiastes, the 11th verse of the 3rd chapter. And God has put eternity into the mind of man, but so that man cannot find out what God has done from the beginning to the end. But in the fullness of time, shows it to those to whom he now comes at the end of time. He does not consign them to silence. They may go and tell it to the best of their ability exactly how it happened. So when Ecclesiastes tells us that we will never find out, no, in the end you do find out God's own purpose. You find his mystery, and his mystery is to actually, literally give himself to us. That's his steadfast love forever, and that is over forever. And thy name will endure forever.